If your LDPlayer emulator is lagging, freezing, or running at low FPS, don't worry. This is usually caused by low system resources, incorrect settings, or disabled virtualization. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer lag and boost FPS step by step in 2026. First, make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. Restart your computer, enter BIOS settings, and turn on Intel VTX or AMD. This is one of the most important steps for improving emulator performance. Next, open LDPlayer settings and go to the Performance tab. Increase CPU cores and RAM allocation based on your system capacity. For example, assign more resources if your PC has enough memory. Now switch the graphics rendering mode. Try both OpenGL and DirectX to see which one gives better FPS on your system. After that, lower the resolution and DPI inside LDPlayer settings. A lower resolution can significantly improve smoothness and reduce lag. Next, close all unnecessary background applications on your PC. Programs running in the background can consume CPU and RAM, reducing emulator performance. Now update your graphics drivers. Go to your GPU control panel or official website and install the latest driver version for better stability and speed. If you are still experiencing lag, enable high-performance mode in Windows Power Settings. This ensures your system is not limiting CPU performance. You should also make sure LDPlayer is updated to the latest version, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. If the problem continues, reduce the number of running emulator instances or avoid running heavy apps at the same time. Finally, restart your PC after making all changes to apply the new settings properly, and that's how to fix LDPlayer lag and boost FPS. Yeah, once you optimize settings and enable virtualization, LDPlayer runs much smoother and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.